Durability is really important, and it seems like this is the right time to talk about it. It's been 2 weeks, and after some time, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro titanium build started getting small scratches, but this didn't include intensive testing, just a normal day-to-day usage. I think titanium build gets scratches really quickly, which is not a good thing, but this new Sapphire glass is really good, and it is protected by big bezels which sometimes help you use your watch. Battery life on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is amazing, but I came across one comment which says his Galaxy Watch 5 Pro barely lasts a day. But according to recent testing, if you use your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with GPS enable and sleep tracking enable, it can last 2 full days, and if you turn it off, it can even last more than 4 days. The haptic feedbacks on the Watch 5 Pro are nice, and you can easily access the notification on One UI 4.5, and this could possibly be the best watch OS we ever have on the Galaxy watches. And if you want more watch faces on the Watch 4 or even the Watch 5 Pro, you can head over Samsung's official app and install it on your Watch 5 Pro or Watch 4. By the way, if you're still watching, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be much appreciated. If you're looking for a camera handling feature on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you may not find it if you have a budget device, since according to Samsung, you can only access this feature if you have S9 or above, and there is no other device available, which means it will not work with other brands. One advice for you: only buy Galaxy Watch 5 Pro if you have Galaxy device, else go with other brands. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro packs some amazing feature, like having a GPX file or trackback feature to track your route when you lost. A sleep tracking feature is getting accurate by excluding the rotating bezel and including the new digital rotating feature, which is easy to use with a curved bezel on the Watch 5 Pro. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is for the both worlds who needs a watch for hiking or biking, or you need a premium watch with a bigger battery, then Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is your go-to watch. With outstanding durability, great features make this a best fit for Galaxy users, or if you don't like big watches, then Watch 5 can be an option. So that is all for today's, but wait, if you came this far, drop a like and subscribe to the channel will be much appreciated. And let me know in the comment section below, did you like the design of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and which feature do you like the most on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.